before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah. I will just talk to the...
Sige, attorney. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around. Not authorized.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about the
Secretary General?
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secretary.
Sure, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive. You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy who will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I'm not to shoot.
Sa kakampi natin to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I'm not...
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's not an instruction. It is... I am not
In the position to
receive it.
But in the case of the impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeached, it was the deputy who received our impeachment
The next in line.
in 2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say,
Please check the records.
I am not arguing.
Okay.
I'm not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive it.
Attorney, may question. Wow.
For the record.
Ako sir, I'm just saying, I'm not here to, I'm not arguing.
No, it's okay.
Wow.
What's your...
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous other half tried.
Okay.
I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received it.
Hindi, bakit nga? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito sa legal
We're not
No,
arguing.
which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment proceeding na nandun na sa office. Kay Attorney Jesus.
She was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority.
Yeah, but attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
is.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung may authority? Sa office of the section.
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my...
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Hindi, ang tanong lang, so number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garafil. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may
Instructions.
instructions?
No.
Ang
So, ano ang basis
Hindi
mo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano ang basis mo kanya? What is your basis? You
Tell us your basis.
Kasi sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number 1, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
You just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
Ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, we demand answers because we're citizens. We're paying your salary. We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tendered it to you.
We are proffering and tendering it
Our
in,
complaint.
under, and by virtue of the Constitution.
Teka. Sandali.
Today is 2:18
Okay, si attorney-
in the
si
afternoon
attorney
of
naman-
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Okay, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Kalma lang tayo. Si attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes, explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka.
Ako muna tayo.
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa
Yeah.
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Panyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It
curious.
is a statement of fact na I am
You're
not
not authorized. Okay.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali So sinasabi na ni attorney, I'm not authorized. If there's an instruction, attorney. No, authorized.
So that-
Walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question. Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir. These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
it's a public
salary.
office.
Under the
You are a public,
Constitution,
you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na lang, I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
This is a public office.
It's a public office.
Hindi ito private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay?
I just manifest.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
am not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, according to Topacio, will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay. Let's
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note, I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I know.
Inabot ko.
Yes, sir. I note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Okay.
Para
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney,
Okay.
just to be to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito na motions. We understand that. So, we thank you.
wala pong sama na loob. If that is what I understand.
So,
we
in fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Documents.
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
para
verify.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an
Tender.
attempt. We tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
Galing na sa kanya.
Okay.
Sige, let
You
him...
are here
To tender.
To tender. I refuse. And you left a copy here in the office. You actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang ma-receive
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose.
Attorney,
Di ba
pasensya
office,
na.
Kapanyero, di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Ako,
Yeah, buddy.
Ako.
Ako, hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko sa
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Okay.
Kaya,
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na,
where is the section? Where is the section?
Asan ang section? For the
Saan ang
record.
section?
Panyero,
Sandali,
Panyero.
sandali. Where's the section?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting section? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you are
command?
second
Ikaw.
in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
It's automatic.
Secondly, Panyero. Oo. Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Galapin? Nagano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Hindi, kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. Even if si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ay, ito si introduce si attorney, ha?
Ano,
Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Isa-isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos. Carlos. Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Menes Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Kasi Dina. And former Congressman Jing Para. Of course, Attorney Manny Luna. Attorney General Garcia.
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption
Pero,
And, sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio. Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan. Ibang topic na yan.
Hindi yan, hindi. For the record. Because, hindi, yan naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the one China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan under the one China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand.
I see you. You don't walk na rin yan.
Yun nga. Yun naman, binigay naman ni Attorney yung...
Tender naman tayo, that's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, Manong. Let's go.
Iwan naman natin. Ay, Kong.
That's
No questions. Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statements, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon? Alright. Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, muna sa lahat, si Attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, ito yung opisina nito kasi hindi naman tao eh. But sa saligang batas, kailangan niya tanggapin talaga. And ito ipapakita lang na talagang yung nauna impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Attorney Topacio, any statement?
Yes.
Any statement, sir?
Well, I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo. Tara!
Congressman Paras, ano po statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the one China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.